Hi guys, Paula Jolson coming at ya from in my home. Of course, I have nowhere to go, so I've been doing a lot of reading. And sorry for the no makeup face today. Did my brows, and that's about it. I've been looking at my oil and glass book. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm in love with it. So many beauty recipes, using Young Living essential oils. There's health and wellness. There is body woes, homemade blends to help ease occasional aches and irritations. Beauty and skincare, which I found a recipe in. And then we have babies and children. Yes, our oils are safe to use on babies and children. You just have to use your common sense when diluting. Home and garden remedies, recipes for household use inside and out. And mind, body, and spirit, using essential oils to restore balance and emotional well-being. It's very beautifully illustrated, and I recommend it. It's on Amazon. It's called Oil and Glass. Get it. It is amazing. Today I'm going to be making nightly under eye roller. So we're all sleep deprived. Okay, our schedules have been disheveled. We're not getting restful sleep because we're up at night. We're worried about lack of funds. Maybe you're laid off from your job because your business was forced to shut down for a month. The kids are all home. Sometimes, I don't know about you, but I'm the type of person that likes to be alone. I love my family time and I love time with my friends, but I really flourish when I'm by myself. And if you're one of those people and you're stuck in the house all day long and all night long with a bunch of people, you're not going to sleep because it just gets under your skin. It doesn't mean you don't love your family. It just means that's just not the norm. And you're not going to sleep well. I know I'm not sleeping well. The red eyes, the puffy eyes, the bags. I don't have any foundation on. Actually, my skin looks really good because I've been using my homemade serums and my Young Living face cream. But I'm going to make a roller ball that you can put on under your eyes at night when you go to bed, and it just kind of brightens up under your eyes. Like in the morning, you just seem brighter. So you can buy these roller balls off of Amazon. They're amber because sometimes harsh light will alter whatever is in there, and I don't want my oils, I don't want anything altered or ruined because of harsh light. So I get the amber, and that's why we bottle it in the amber bottles at the Young Living distillery. And then make sure you get a roller with a stainless steel roller ball. Okay, and they just pop right out. And then they usually come with a little funnel because they know that you're probably creating things. That's why you're ordering them. So my recipe calls for 15 drops of lavender. And lavender supports skin health. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And these oils just come out 1 drop at a time, so you're not going to over pour. Supports skin health, helps support healing. If you have a problem with blemishes or scarring, it supports healing. And then it calls for frankincense, 15 drops of frankincense. And frankincense has been used for thousands of years for all kinds of things. Or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That one's coming out faster. But also supports skin health. And then lemon, we all know lemon brightens things, makes things fresh. It's an astringent. It can be acts as a toner. And we need 15 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Smells delish. Those 3 would be awesome in a diffuser. There's so many different ways to use essential oils. Okay, so you put the oils in first. And then 1 teaspoon of unscented witch hazel. And what this does is when you mix oil, and there will be oil, it just allows it to evaporate and soak up quick so it doesn't like stay oily on your face. So 1 teaspoon, that's a tablespoon, nope, that's a teaspoon. And I'm going to try to do this without spilling it. There we go. And just pour that in my funnel. Okay. And then you fill the rest of the way up. It calls for sweet almond oil. Now, almond oil is known for its moisturizing properties. And take heed, though, if you have a nut allergy. Be careful with the almond oil because it is a nut. Make sure it's all organic. Okay. And then that's all I need to do. And I need to pop my roller back on. And then make sure every time you go to use it, you give it a gentle shake. And you just put this under your eyes only at night, avoiding, of course, contact with the eyes. The reason it says only at night is because there is a citrus oil in here, and citrus oils are known to maybe cause sensitivity to the skin if you go out into the sunshine during the day. So we're just putting this on at night, and it's going to absorb, and we'll probably wash our face in the morning. And then all you have to do is roll those dark circles and those bags away. And nobody will know that you're not sleeping at night. All right. So many recipes. I'm going to be doing so many of these with you. I have a whole month to do nothing but read and research my oils, my passion. So I'm going to share them with you. And then when we all come out of this, hopefully you will get on board and purchase a kit and become an oiler just like me. All right. Stay sane and do something for yourself today.